For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9. In a shocking incident, a Dalit farmer couple was brutally assaulted by policemen in Guna of Madhya Pradesh. The incident of police brutality took place during an anti-encroachment drive. The Dalit farmer couple consumed poison to protest against the anti-encroachment drive after being beaten up by the cops. The police and the district administration claimed that the couple was cultivating their crop on government-owned land. The Guna district administration reportedly wanted the land to be vacated to build a college. A video of the incident shot by onlookers showed policemen brutally beating up some residents with sticks. A woman was seen pleading with the police to stop and trying to shield a man from the blows. Some images also surfaced online showing the farmer couple's children holding them and crying as they fell unconscious after consuming poison. The district collector and the superintendent of police of Guna district were suspended after the video of police brutality went viral. The Dalit farmers, identified as Rajkumar Ahirwar and his wife Savitri, are reportedly now in a stable condition. The police have also booked the victim couple for trying to obstruct public officials on duty. The police brutality has now led to a political slugfest in Madhya Pradesh. Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi took to Twitter and shared the video of police brutality, slamming the Madhya Pradesh government. Our fight is against this thought process and injustice. Former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath also hit out at the Chauhan government in a series of tweets. He condemned the incident and called Chauhan's rule in Madhya Pradesh Jungle Raj. Where is this Shivraj Singh government taking us? What kind of Jungle Raj is this? Look at the way a Dalit farmer couple has been attacked inhumanly by the policemen. If there was a dispute regarding government land, it could have been solved through legal means. But what kind of justice is it to take the law into hands and thrash him, his wife, his relative and his innocent kinds? Will the Shivraj government show the same alacrity over the thousands of acres of land grabbed by so-called people's servants and prominent people? Such incidents can never be tolerated. The culprits should be punished strictly, or else the Congress won't keep silent. BSP chief Mayawati also took to Twitter to condemn the incident. She hit out at the Shivraj Singh Chauhan government for police brutality against a Dalit.
To force a couple to attempt suicide by destroying the crops from the JCB machine in the name of encroachment by the Guna police and administration of Madhya Pradesh is highly condemnable. The nationwide condemnation of this incident is natural. Government should take strict action. On one hand, BJP and their government are going gaga over rehabilitation of Dalits, while on the other hand, the incidents of their desolation are as common as they used to be under the rule of Congress party. So what is the difference between the two governments? Especially Dalits must also think about this.
Political leaders across party lines have called on the Shivraj Singh Chauhan government for a probe into the incident and action against the accused.